So guys, hello. So today we'll make banana cake in bread maker. So I'll show you today how to make it. So here I've taken 3 ripened banana and mashed them. And now what we're going to do is add in this, but not right now. We'll do this thing later on when we are finished adding all the ingredients. So here I've taken a separate bowl to add all the dry ingredients in it. So now we are taking a sieve and adding 1.5, which means 1.5 cup of maida. Now after adding maida, we'll be adding 1.5 teaspoon, which means 1.5 teaspoon baking powder. Next we are adding half teaspoon baking soda. And next we are adding a pinch of salt. And at last, in the dry ingredients, we are using sugar, which is half cup sugar, and adding in this bowl of all this dry ingredients, and then we are going to sieve it properly. Now like that, we are going to sieve the whole mixture. Now here, when we have sieved the whole mixture, we are going to keep this aside and we are going to add wet ingredients in another bowl. So now here we are taking bowl of the bread maker, as we are making the cake in the bread maker, and we'll add half cup of oil in this bowl. And next we are adding 1/4 cup of milk in the wet ingredients. So now at last we have added 1/4 cup of thick yogurt or curd prepared at home, and now we are going to add the dry ingredients and mix it with the wet ingredients using a spoon or a spatula. Yes, it's almost done. Yes, now here we go. And now we're adding the main ingredient, which is the banana mixture, the 3 ripened bananas that we have mashed. And now we are going to mix all of the ingredients that we have prepared. Yes, now we're done with this, and we are going to bake this thing in the bread maker. No need to dust it or mix it, because all the duties are for the bread maker. Now we have added the bowl in which we have added all the mixture, and we bake the batter. Now we are going to bake it on 4 number, which is quick. So this is the menu time. This is the menu, and we're going to click it till it shows 4, and now we are going to start it. So it will start mixing up your batter. So now here the bread maker is automatically mixing up the batter. And so yes, now here the bread maker had already baked the cake, and we're just now going to check using a knife. And if there's nothing on the knife, yes, so it's baked. Yes, so there's nothing on the knife here. So yes, it shows that your cake is ready. And now we are going to cover it because it's hot, and when it cools down we have to take it out in a plate. So here we go with the cake, and it looks very yummy. So yes, we are going to cut it. I'm going to take out a very little piece, this much. And now see how spongy it is, and even looks so yummy. It's a mouth-watering cake.